What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Miffy. Let's begin today's lesson along the top center of the page with the top edge of the head. We're going to start over on the left. We're going to draw a small curve that goes up and then down. Now over on the left side, let's draw an ear. We're going to start by curving this up, round up the top of the ear, come down the side, and we're just going to bend that in. Let's do the same thing over on the right. We're going to start from this line, pull that up towards the same height, round up the ear, come around the side, and then back in towards the same height. Now let's connect the bottom of the ears with an oval for the head. We're going to start back over on the left, go all the way around the left side, come in towards the middle, go up on the right, and then we'll bend that in. Let's go to the side and draw two small circles for the eyes. We'll fill those in black, and line that up on the right. And then in the center, we're going to draw an X. Now that we completed the head, let's draw the outside of the arms. We're going to start over on the left side, underneath the head, then the arm going out, and then down to right about there. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's bend the sleeve, coming down and in towards the side of the body. And we'll layer the body on top of the arms. From here, we're going to step up, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's tuck the hands in underneath the sleeve. From this point, we're going to step in, come around, and in towards the side. And we'll tuck the feet in underneath the body. So we'll start right in the middle with a straight line. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the bottom of this line, comes down and up toward the left, and then the right. Now it's going to curve the feet back in underneath the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a simple illustration of Miffy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also try out our lessons on our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.